Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, today I want to show you how to open dashboard of a Toyota Vios. Here is a Toyota Vios new model. We're gonna replace evaporator coil. This is the inside view, the dashboard. And here is the engine view. First of all, we will open this side. Here is the one screw, and the other side. And this is 3. And just the OBD scanner, check out the socket, and then just push up. Yes, push it up. This cover is all clip. Other side. Unplug the sockets, wiring. Open sensor socket from here. Okay, so here is the cover. Now we need to open steering cover. This cover here is up and down in 2 pieces. Okay guys, so one is here screw, this side driver side, and then other side here steering wheel, and then one down, and then just push it up like this. Cover, and now other side. Just open all the sockets here by the steering wheel. Unplug. Alright, so here is the all socket with the steering wheels. Be careful when you open sockets wiring. Okay guys, so here we already opened all, and then make sure there is any clip or anything, just get the free wiring. Step, just take the ratchet with the rod extension and just open the steering wheels, steering screw 2. Just get them free, and then our steering must be down here, so easy for us to take out the dashboard. As you guys can see, our steering is getting down. And after open this, another side here, the one is inside there. Here, this inside here, this one, this. So we need to open that one, because our steering, as you guys can see, the one screw, when we open this one, then the steering must be down. So we need to open it. Okay guys, so here is our steering wheel. We must be put the space for taking out the dashboard. Okay guys, so here's our meter cover, this here, and now we can open our meter. This one, meter goes screw 1, 2, 3. So before we open meter, we must need to open the casing of radio and then the cover, this one. Now unplug the sockets. Alright. Open this screw here. Just open rubber, side rubber, take out the cover. Yes, here's one socket, just unplug it. Now we need to open our radio. So in case if you guys want to replace radio, is very easy. Just take out the casing and 4 screws open, take out the wiring and replace radio. You can replace radio also. Yeah. Here's the radio wiring. Okay guys, for AC panel, this is air conditioning panel. Just take out the tool for dashboard and just push all clips here. Yes, here's the casing for AC panel. Alright, then our console, just push it up, cover, just unplug the wiring, then open gear lever like this. Alright, here, okay, and then just take out console cover. And now we will open this here, this one. Open our console. Here is the one side screw and the other side of the seat, and this one meter. And before that we must push this. We push it up, and this part must be up, this one, this part, yeah, just like this, yeah, and here. Alright, okay. Just push up the seat up, and then here 1 and this one 2, another side of the passenger side, this 1 and 2, and then after that our console is free. Power and got 2 screws inside. Here, this 2. Open it, start. Okay, and then front. Here, just push. Unplug the sockets of cigarette lighter. Okay, and then 1 and 2, these 2 screws got. Before take out the console, must need to open this 1 and 2. Open, just take out like this, yeah. Must check 1 wiring and take out console. Down the handbrake. Console box here 1, and this other side 2 and 3. We need to open this all first, and then same goes to left side. Take out this one, push it up like this, and then just unplug the sockets here and open. Just 3, and then just push it up and go out there. Okay guys, alright, okay, and then after open that, it must be out. And with this cover here, got 2 screws here, 1 and 2, this one, and the third number here, this one. So 4th here, 5th and 6th. So here 6, 7 screws. So after that open, we need to open our airbag, SRS airbag. Here is the airbag, and here is the clip socket, that yellow color. Open this clip here, wire this one. After open this, as you guys can see, our dashboard is almost free. Now we need to open our SRS airbag. So 1 screw is here, this one 1, and other is here 2. Yes, we need to open this all, and then here is the plug socket for wiring SRS airbag, this one, just take out like this and get it free. And after we open this or two, our SRS airbag is free, and dashboard is also almost free. Okay guys, so our SRS is free, as you guys can see in the dashboard. And then next procedure is here's two lock for air conditioning panel. This must be here, so just push it like this and take out. And before that there is two wire for adjust wire. This wire, this is getting to the cooling coil here, this one. So this must be free. And then just take out the wiring and our dashboard is free. Alright, this one. Alright, so after do all this, our dashboard is free. We are taking like this now. So before take the dashboard, must be check everything, wiring, socket, anything clip there, and then okay guys, so here is our dashboard. We take out, we open this, and here is our evaporator coil, this one. After open dashboard, it look like this. Okay guys, so I want to do an experiment, because I doesn't want to open this frame from plastic. I just want to take out like this down, so I get free from here this screw and the other side here down, and I just pull out this one. Here's a lock only, just push it and take out right and left side. So I want to pull down this because got too much space. I hope it will become like this. Just open this side here and up. One here, another one here. I want to take out this frame, so no need to open this all frame. This whole one, it must be down, this one. Okay, we just getting push it like this, and here is our coil. So here is our evaporator box, and we didn't open this hole, and here is our evaporator. Box. Okay guys, here is our blower motor. This is the blower motor, and here is the resistance blower motor. So guys, when you open this, be careful. Here is the lock, and this is a very sensitive lock. Just push it a little bit. Don't push it too much. Okay guys, and here is our evaporator. This is for air conditioning. As you guys can see the condition of coil, and here is our sensor for cutoff, auto cutoff for compressor, and this is the condition of our coil. So it must be replaced. And also this is got leaking because we put the chemical, and here is the chemical oil. And then here is the sensor sockets, this one.